Hi all, it's another short tutorial for the Mach 3 Bob here, breakout board. This time I'm gonna show you how we connect the limit switches. First of all, you need to have 12 to 24 volts on these two connectors. The inputs won't work without connecting 12 to 24 volts. If you only have connected the 5 volt from the PC or from the USB, it won't work. So what we're going to use, we use the Sherry DB3, and here you can see it's normally closed and normally open connected. The hole here is a little irritating, but it's okay. Here it's the closed one on this side, normally closed and normally open. That says if it's gonna hit here, it opens on this side and it closes on this side. So as you see here, I have 3 limit switches or reference switches. You can connect as many as you want. Normally there are 9 on a machine, for each axis 3, and as you see they are running through. So normally closed, run through, and one opens the circuit. It's here connected to ground, and on the other side it's connected to one of the inputs. Doesn't matter what, it's one of these, and you only lose one port for the connectors, for the limit switches and the reference switches. So use this one, it's okay. They are about 0.02 millimeters in precision, up to maybe, if you get bad ones, there 5 ones are for $2 US dollars. You can have it's if you really are in trouble with 0.05. No, they're really high precision if you catch the cherry ones. They are controlled and they are really precise. So this is the connection here for standard mechanical switches, and how it's now connected inside the, I use Linux CNC. Of course there it's a better way, but it's the same way in Mach 3. You have here on this side your connectors. Here it says what you're gonna do with those switches, if it's all reference or if it's all limit switches, or what you're gonna do. You see you have all limit and all homes I will take. So it's one switch for all, and you're gonna get forward, and here's the axis. So here it's the home location. As you have connected all the switches together, you have to back up from the switch if it hits. This is the home location. Home location says where the machine ends after it hit the switch. So here I'm gonna say 5 millimeter, and the table travel is okay. Home switch location, this is the location where the switch is in part of the machine reference. So here is the 0, and this is the speed that the home switch is triggered. Same way says it hits the switch, back ups, and hits the switch again, and back ups to the home location. Okay, I hope I can help you. If you have a request, tell me please on the internet, and of course you can go to the IRC internet relay chat and make a request, or it's a live chat, so people will help you.